Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Oriaba Naturals. So this is freshly made organic black soap, 4 kilos. We are located in Ghana, and this is freshly made black soap. We ship worldwide. Please check the link in bio for our contact. We are on Instagram at Oriaba Naturals. We have shea butter, black soap, cocoa butter, etc. So please send in your orders. You can order for a kilo, 2, 3, any kilo you want. We can make it for you. So this is freshly made organic black soap. Freshly made organic black soap. You can order for it anywhere you are in the world, and then it will be mailed to you. Click on the link in bio for any enquiries, and then if you want to order quality black soap, you can order from us. Thank you.